what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna go through what I'm cutting with if I can get by my chair in 2024. And my first clipper I'm working with is the Low Pro FX1 clipper with the battery. And I like this clipper mostly because it's lightweight. The blade I like and I dislike for a couple reasons. Let me tell you the pros. I like the blade. It's powerful, goes through bulk well. It does a lot of stuff good. It does not make a crunchy noise, and it doesn't take out that bottom line too good, and I got it pretty zero gapped. But overall, it's really light. It's a convenient clipper, and you know, it's just not a fade blade. If they make a fade blade version of that MIM blade, it would be pretty dope. Next up is my FX, and this is the Boost FX, and this is a great clipper, great blade. Overall, this is probably a better clipper than the FX1 because it's better at fading, taking out lines, more detail work, and it's a lot crunchier of a blade. But the cons of this is it's heavier and it's bulkier. So after long use, this one kind of gets heavy if you've been using the other one. But that's why I've been using the other one lately, because it's so light. And I can cut good with anything, so it doesn't matter. Next up, so this is the original Low Pro. And this guy is, I don't even know why he's on my station. This blade, I've never liked the wedge blade, so I don't know. It's just here, I barely use it. It looks cute, I guess. Then on the station we have the Masters. And these have a lot of power, awesome blade for everything. Taking out lines, detail work, it's a long blade. It does everything. Battery life is short, it's loud, and it's just not updated like the other companies. This has been around for a while, but still a good clipper. Dies fast. Now, my Snap FX, which I used to use all the time until I got the Low Pro FX1. My boy's coming in right now. I think I locked him out. And my dog's barking. Did you lock out yourself? Yeah. You're messing up my video. Yeah. We don't want loud noise like you. Come get in the video. Come here. I'm recording. Go ahead. What do you think of this clipper? You're not a barber, but he likes hair.
Let me see.
What does it feel like?
It feels light. It's not very heavy. The material feels, I really don't know what clippers feel like. This feels sturdy though, but light. All right, let me see.
Another level, right?
Yeah, this is light. This feels good. This feels like if I drop it, it's not gonna break. Not bad.
Which one feels better out the two?
I'll say this one.
This one, yeah. So this is why I've been using this clipper. It's just because it's lightweight. This blade is not as good as a fade blade, but it's a decent blade. This one, interchangeable battery. Now these batteries, I've had it for a year. Let me look.
My bad. Go ahead.
I've had this for a year, and the batteries are starting to get a little bit low on them. And I don't think they're gonna make too many of these much longer because they made this. So I don't know. But this is a good clipper. Smile for the camera. We gotta do trimmers now. Come here. All right. How's this feel?
Not bad. Also feels sturdy. Good metal.
Turn on.
Yeah, this feels nice.
This feels nice. Sabers are great. Blade is great. Power is great. Everything's great about this. It's just great. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? That's 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
That feels like it. Like a lot.
Now, here's another one that's 10 out of 10, but it's old. Bam. You see how that? Bam. Bam. Now, these are so old that they're like literally like 30-minute battery life. Oh, man. The blade is old. Listen how they sound. Try to check those out. Turn them off.
This also feels good.
See, these are also a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, this feels good. I like this too.
So when people recommend which clipper, I don't know which one to pick between these and the Sabers. The Sabers have lasted a long time and they have a little stand, so it's A and B. And then I have, for my last thing on my station, these guys. The problem with these is they're a little bit sharp. So I can't use them on everyone. Just the DCL2 blade.
Yeah, they definitely feel a little stronger. I don't know
Yeah.
if it's just charged fully or what's going on.
Yeah,
With that, but yeah, it feels a little.
these are newer, so yeah.
Ah, okay, makes sense.
But the longer tooth blades that I've noticed in life, you see how that focus is on there? That's amazing.
Nice.
That's
nice.
amazing.
Yep.
Only this camera does it. Not even the expensive camera.
Really?
It's crazy.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. So this blade, the longer tooth blades usually are, for my opinion, they are sharper. So if you get the long tooth blades, you're probably gonna be jacking up some fair-skinned people. What else we got in my station? Bam! I got 2 of these.
What are those?
These are shavers.
Shavers?
With UV, go ahead. You want to talk about premium?
Ooh, these feel premium. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. Yeah, the case on this is crazy. I feel like I'm
Turn them on, turn them on.
How you turn it on?
Right here, other way. There you go, up. Ooh.
Yeah, this is nice. I feel like this is like an expensive bottle of cologne, bro. This shit nice.
These are great. And they clean the blade with the UV light. Gotta have those. Look at that.
That's fire.
Fire. Fire. Then I got oil, water bottle. Show them my water bottle.
Let me see. Go ahead.
Show them the water bottle.
Water bottle. I hear this is nice.
Babbler's water bottle. Well, Babblers don't send me nothing, but I got my whole station, made a bunch of videos about Babblers, but they blackballed me right now.
It's a matter of time, though.
It's a matter of time. Here's my aftershave bottle. Comes out pretty cool. Look. Ooh. You're all blinded now?
Yeah, that feels nice. It smells good, too, whatever you got in there.
All right, we're going to finish it up with the shears, which are not clean, but...
Shears? What's special about these?
These are Japanese. These are shark fin, thinning shears. These are dope. Get these. The ones with one blade and then one sharp blade. Yeah. Japanese shears all day.
Fire.
Fire. And that's about it. Everything else is inconsequential.
How much you think your station costs?
That station is easily like 1,500. My dog is complaining about something. Probably more than that, like 2 racks probably.
2 racks?
Yeah.
That's not crazy.
Not crazy. Each one is about 2. Now clippers are like $300. Before like the pandemic, you can get clippers for like 120.
Really?
Yeah, and then they just like,
Wow.
they're like 250 a pop now. And then probably go to 3. Trimmers like 150.
Yeah, thanks,
Yeah.
Trump.